Okay, this is our pump. Yeah, I didn't do that. I don't do that. So all you people who love to criticize me, no, I'm not guilty this time. Anyway, that's our pump. It was leaking and say no more. So as you can see, it's completely different size to the other one. So we're gonna take this one out, unscrew there. This is why I knew all that stuff I said you before, because I had a look at this before. Anyway, we're gonna unscrew it, take it out, compare it, possibly take it down. You see this one here? It wires and it comes around the back, just behind here, and it's connected to the back here where you have the switch. You hear the pump kick in? But that it keeps cutting out every time you're in the hot water. But apart from the hot water, it seems fine. Alright, so let's stop for a minute. And my video looks very murky, so I don't know. Maybe I have to do it again. Okay, people, welcome back. Now, we have a problem. We managed to find where to turn off our hot water, but we can't manage to find out where to turn off our cold water. So what I'm going to do is, the water comes in up the copper pipe and down into the pump. All right, see that white screw there? There's another one just on the back of it. That's where you lock your water off. So if I lock the water off from there, in theory I should be able to take it off there and no water come past there down into there. Same again, if I lock that one off there, I should be able to take it off at the top and nothing comes from the pump and escape there. So that's what we're going to try and work on. So we're going to leave that end connected, disconnect that end at the top, and at the same on the other side. And on this one, we're going to leave this end connected and disconnect that end on both of them. So we shouldn't get no water go past here down into there. When we disconnect it, we should not lose any water. And on the opposite side, exactly the same thing. And that there, same. Right, let's go for it. See if we've got our rug ready in case we get everything starts spilling everywhere. This thing is just floating around. If I can show you. Oh gosh. Okay, the whole thing is just floating around. So we're gonna try and get our mat underneath it to catch any water spillage. Well, I need my hands free, so here goes. Oh, sorry, before I go, flat screwdriver. This is what we're gonna do. Get our screwdriver in there and we turn it just to there. There, should lock it off. So you see what position that one is in? It's across like that. One at the back, which is still open, is across like that. So we want it in that position. Yeah, and hopefully that should lock it off. We'll find out in a minute. Here we go.